Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change chat text size in Diablo Immortal game. If you're finding the chat text in Diablo Immortal too small or too large, here is how to adjust it to your preference. First of all, open up Diablo Immortal game and make sure you select your server and the character. After you're inside the sanctuary, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Click the gear button at the top right, and then this will open up the settings menu. Go to the left hand side and tap on chat. Inside chat, scroll down and then look for the chat text size option. Select between default, large or extra large. After you make your selection, you can then get back to the main screen by tapping the cross icon at the top right. And that way, you will be able to increase or decrease the chat text size on Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.